Welcome back to Health Bulletin. Join us for another fascinating topic about Neuralink, which recently received FDA approval for human trials. Now, let's delve also into the potential risks of the Neuralink brain implant. Imagine searching Google with your mind, committing your thoughts to a journal without lifting a finger, and directing superhuman robotic strength. All of your thoughts are decoded into a language compatible with computers, which are eventually running through a server controlled by, hopefully, someone who's trustworthy. Take all of that into consideration, and you'll get a sense of the context surrounding Neuralink. The brain-computer interface company Neuralink recently announced it had received FDA approval to start trials implanting brain chips in humans. For those who may not be aware, Neuralink was founded by Elon Musk in 2016, with a single goal: to create microchips that can communicate with the human brain. The subject is undeniably interesting and carries great significance. But, like many new scientific fields, this emerging technology comes with risks and concerns. Let's talk about: what is the Neuralink chip? It's a tiny piece of hardware, just a bit bigger than a quarter in terms of width and thickness. Attached to the chip are 64 wires, each just a few microns thick and with 16 microscopic electrodes on it. Brain cells usually talk to each other by sending small electrical signals. To study this, doctors often use devices like an EEG that measures brain activity by recording these signals. And in some serious neurological cases, such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, or chronic pain, these deep brain stimulation uses electricity to help treat medical conditions by changing how cells communicate. Implants are more precise because they don't get weakened by the skull and tissue like external devices do. Thus, for fine-grained functions like, say, flexing your finger, invasive electrodes provide better accuracy when both measuring and delivering impulses. How is the Neuralink chip used? The Neuralink chip is surgically implanted. During the procedure, a precision robot drills a hole into a person's skull, then gingerly pushes the threads into the brain. The process takes a few hours. After healing, the device is invisible but for a minimal scar and is designed to be charged through customized items, like a special pillow or baseball cap. Are you interested in the pricing for this procedure? The surgery is anticipated to be around $40,000 for insurers. Neuralink has also initiated a patient registry. With their primary focus in the first phase trials being to empower individuals with quadriplegia to control a computer using their thoughts. As in these cases, the brain functions normally, but the nerve connections to muscles are damaged. By measuring signals in an area controlling finger and hand movements, called the motor cortex, the Neuralink chip transmits the data to a computer, allowing a patient to control actions through thought rather than physical movement. This supports activities such as texting, web surfing, and navigating menus using the mind. There are other competitors as well. Synchron and Onward have had a head start on tests with humans, allowing computer navigation during walking, cycling, and swimming. Furthermore, implant BCIs have been in existence for approximately 20 years, with BlackRock Neurotech pioneering the field. Nevertheless, Neuralink aims to provide a more streamlined device with significantly higher resolution, with a boost from the company's cutting-edge AI technology. This could lead to even more accurate abilities in brain-computer interfaces. At a Neuralink demonstration on August 28, 2020, Mr. Musk shared his belief that not only will most people develop brain or spine problems eventually, and he suggested that an implantable device like Neuralink could address these and other intricate neurological problems. You must be thinking, are there potential risks associated with such biotechnology? While its potential for medical applications, cognitive enhancement, improved quality of life, and advanced research is fascinating. Yet the new tech isn't without concerns. For one, there's the question of consent. Families of vulnerable persons may be desperate for a cure and opt in for their paralyzed family member. In the case of those who cannot communicate freely due to paralysis. This new beta test technology may put them at risk of undesirable outcomes. Additionally, new biotechnology comes with unknown risks, especially if it artificially influences biochemical activity. While Neuralink has undergone testing on animals for several years, other challenges may arise during its human trials. Aside from biological concerns, another key area of concern is security, privacy, and even autonomy at the most fundamental level. We live in an era where cybercrime is prevalent, neuromarketing dictates ad campaigns, and social credit systems determine individual liberties. Brain hacking takes these issues to a whole new level. Many scientific breakthroughs are driven by competition, the desire to build something grand, to be the first, and to do one better than one's predecessors. Yet Mr. Musk has said that he pushes his team so hard because he believes this chip is a way to help millions and save humanity from the looming threat of artificial intelligence. But for what purpose? Is humanity prepared for this advancement? Will we retain our humanity? Evolve into something superior or different? Or, will we have crossed a threshold where we gain a better life but at the cost of altering specific facets of our existence? This is a discussion that we, as a society, must engage in.
Thanks for watching.